Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put a baby doll in a car seat. Actually, a real baby. This is really what I'm trying to show you. I just happen to only own a doll right now. Elian is a bit big at age 14. But so you're going to put the straps over each shoulder and then over each hip. That's the part that everyone does right. So hold on a second. Let me click it together. There we go. Now we have it clicked together. And then most seats have a front adjusters. So whether it be a convertible seat or an infant seat, any method is going to work the same, where there's usually some kind of something to pull. So we're going to do that. Over each shoulder, over each hip. You pull, pull, pull. It'll be a smooth pull, and then eventually gets to most of the time to be a click, 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 click motion, and then that will tighten it up. And I just want to show you that I got it tight. It's tight at the shoulders. I can't pinch any webbing there. They're at or below her shoulders because she's a rear-facing doll. And I have it tight there. But where I haven't tightened it is at the hip area. So there's going to be all this room under here that's too loose. That webbing is too loose on that doll or on the real child. So what you're going to want to do now is take the chest clip all the way down to the bottom again. And now you can see that I'm going to pull the slack out right here. And now I'm getting all of this webbing up at the shoulder area. Okay, so now I'll tighten it again. I will also make sure again at the hip area that I'm pulling out the slack. Tighten some more. And then go up to the shoulders and check that you can't pinch and grab any fabric at the shoulder level. Okay, that is putting a kid in a car seat tip with Jody tonight. Thank you. Bye-bye.